Hi, Alan. So, Cal, I am using this little camcorder, this digital camcorder, and I'm video recording an area in our property that I actually have recorded using my cell phones. I'm not moving the camera much right now because the slow frame rate, I think, causes a blurring of image. As I pan, what I noticed previously was that I had a problem. The image was blurring, and I blamed it on the frame rate. I've also got everything set to automatic. So the sun is strong and behind me, and I'm standing in the shade. But as I pan my backyard area, I wanted you to see it at a slow pan. Now I'm going to use the telephoto. I noticed that on the small screen, the area further out there is overexposed. Let me bring now, and I'm wondering too. This has got to be a digital, obviously a digital zoom. It looked very jerky on the little display that I've got. Let me bring it in on the fountain, and let's see if it autofocuses. Well, that's my test. I would think that this would work better in a shaded area. It seems like it's not stopping down much when it sees bright areas, and it may be overcompensating. But this is basically what I'm getting.